Hello! Just back a few days ago from James Dawson's retreat, Wim Hof Method retreat. I have to say it was life-changing. Met 14 other people there, and if you include James as well and the team, I honestly feel that we've made really good friends. I went in on Friday and I had a few issues with, I'll be honest, things like anxiety, stress and stuff. There was everyone there connected emotionally. Everyone there is now in a group of friends, and we are chatting every day, supporting each other. We all went through incredible experiences. Nobody managed to not do the ice bath. We all did it. Every single one of us. I can't even believe I'm saying this. James is an absolute credit. He's a lovely, lovely guy and incredibly supportive. And he's extremely confident in your ability. So that's what really shook me. So go, enjoy it, love it, live your life, trust the process.